Sometimes you have to use multiplication to help solve word problems or story problems like this one. Aria went to the grocery store and bought 4 bags of candy. Each bag has 7 pieces of candy inside. How many pieces of candy did Aria buy all together? So to help us solve this word problem, we're going to create a multiplication equation. We know how many groups there are because there are 4 bags of candy. So our first number is going to be 4. We also know how many items are in each group, which is 7 because there are 7 pieces of candy in each group, in each bag. So we have 4 times 7. Now to solve this, we are going to skip count by 7s. So we have 7, 14, 21, 28. We skip counted 4 times because there's 4 groups. So she had 28 pieces of candy altogether.